All right, guys, welcome to day 2 of the Topstep challenge, trying to pass 4 accounts. I right now I'm on Forest Factory, just looking at recent news, seeing what's happening. But today, my direction, I was still going for shorts, but because of the consolidation there was before market closing, it wasn't really moving up or down any big ranges, And as a continuation trader, I like to I don't trade consolidation at all, but I was pretty sure it was gonna have an opening either to the up or downside, because as you can see, it was pretty much within the last hour. It was just pretty much up and down, no real breakthrough. But I expected market opening to have a huge push. I was still going for shorts. Well, not even shorts, because if it would have already shorted if it was still shorting, but from the consolidation, right here I'm just looking at. Also, this is a voiceover, by the way, because I don't trade. Wow, I don't trade well. I record, but I don't like really talk while recording. I'm not at that level yet. But right now, I was just like looking at try to find yesterday's opening. But anyway, like I was saying, as you can see, the new yellow lines in those are the last hour of the last hour candle of the last session, and shit. Okay, but yeah, when you look at it again, you can see that it has price really hasn't moved around that much from that hour that much. So to me, that's consolidation, and I do not trade consolidation. I need like a clear price of movement. That's why I was like saying I don't, because it's still really consolidating. So I'm really expecting either it to break up or down at opening. But yeah, today, as you can see, I'm only risking 500 to make the 1500. The rest. But yeah, I'm just looking at the charts, waiting for opening because I'm kind of still risking a lot. I don't really trade market open like this. I usually wait about 20, 30 minutes after market open, then start trading, you know. But since I'm trying to pass an eval, I want like that that volatility. I mean, the volatility, especially in Asia station and Asia, which session, which I trade. There's like after market opens at 5, it might not be volatile anymore for like the rest of the night. It's kind of a little slow moving. But yeah, when I saw this strong trade to the upside, I was all in it. But today you're gonna see one of my flaws right here. As you can see, it passed my resistance mark, and then it was approaching the. I wanted to hit this yellow line, the hour line, where it last opened at or it closed. I can't remember correctly, but I wanted. I did 3. I should have done like 1 because it's. Anyway, like I said, I'm too impatient. I was
Order
like
filled.
so excited, and at this. Oh yeah, at this time I kind of freaked out a little because then I remembered
Order
my
filled.
brackets were set off. Then I end up losing way more than I should have, in a sense. I forgot to turn on my brackets. After this, I try to enter again because I was like so sure that it was gonna take off. Because once it hit this line, that direction has been set. And the reason why I'm so confident because Asia market open at 5 p.m. for me, Central Time. That's like one of the most volatile moments the market will have of all of Asia session until like 9 p.m. At this time, I wasn't paying too much attention to the DOM. I should have looked at the DOM and saw that it was moving crazy,
Order
but I
filled.
didn't. I was still looking. I know my mouse was over there, but I wasn't really looking at the DOM like that. I was really just looking at the chart. But if I looked at the DOM, I would have noticed that how crazy it's moving. I would have waited a bit
Order
more.
filled.
I would have waited a little more, a way lot more. As you can see, I'm already down. I can't even see the number, but like one more trade would destroy me, and
Order
just like I thought.
filled.
And then I did one. This was a smart move. I should have just stuck with one, but like I said, greed, man. I got greedy. But yeah, would have been a. It's crazy too, but now I'm taking a look at my dom and I'm looking at. When I saw this, I was like, yeah, I'm cooked. I literally had that thought once I finally looked at the Dom. Like, yeah, I'm cooked because I just seen it like the way it's moving, 2, 3 points in one. Even though I'm only having what right now I have one micro gold, still moving
Order
kind of
filled.
crazy. Then I added on top because I was like, but like I said, it's moving crazy.
Order filled.
And boom, I'm stopped out. And at this point, I was like pretty much done because I already knew
Order
that.
filled. Order filled.
And then boom, I hit my daily loss limit of 500. Every account was locked, as you can see. But yeah, after that, I thought over and then I just realized I wasn't patient. Like, if I just kept that one, I would have hit that 300 profit target. Would have been in the green. Could have added more size in later. But yeah. But anyway, today I was too impatient. I think the biggest reason I was impatient, I was like looking forward to trading too much today. Like even when I went to school to study and stuff, I was like barely a good study because I was still thinking about trading. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna pass these 2 days, but tomorrow I'm gonna make sure to have a more eventful day to take my mind off trading. But yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.